Jamaica is taking a major step toward modernizing its public sector with the official launch of the Electronic Transactions Act and the National E-Transactions Policy. The initiative, announced by Ambassador Audrey Marks, Minister of Responsibility for Efficiency and Digital Transformation, at a post-cabinet briefing on Wednesday. It aims to make government services faster, more efficient, and fully digital, allowing citizens, businesses, and government agencies to securely sign and process documents electronically.
Today's launch of the Electronic Transactions Act and E-Transactions Policy as a national initiative represents another important and deliberate step in Jamaica's ongoing public sector transformation program.
She says with this move, citizens can now complete official forms online using electronic signatures, while businesses will benefit from faster interactions with government agencies.
In accordance with the Electronic Transactions Act, a signature or record shall not be denied legal effect solely because it is in an electronic form. The primary objectives of the policy are to establish a standardized, risk-based framework for the use of electronic signatures, promote authentication, integrity and accountability and auditability of electronic transactions, improve efficiency, business continuity, and reduce reliance on paper-based processes.
The rollout marks a significant shift for public service in Jamaica as electronic signatures move from optional to the standard, bringing convenience and efficiency to citizens, businesses, and government alike.